Canon TS3340 printer is showing P02 error. This error indicates a carriage movement error, or it means that maybe print head holder is blocked or carriage is jammed, is not moving freely from right to left. Maybe it can be due to any obstacle inside, or maybe the carriage itself got stuck. So I'm going to fix this error. Stay with me and watch the complete video. I will disassemble it and we will find step by step what is the exact problem. Here you can see this this lock is not fitted well on the lever. We have to fix it well. I fix this lock well because it was not rotating and carriage is getting jammed. Right after we turn it on, carriage was getting jammed. So this lock, feeder roller's lock was not fitted well on this mechanism. Now I will turn it on and check. And you can see there is no more P02 error. That was a lock I mentioned. It was not fixed well. But no idea how it came out. But anyhow, printer is working without any P02 error. We have to make sure that ink carriage should not be jammed, and also the paper feed mechanism should work fine. I gave command for copy to make sure that it's feeding well or not. Yeah, and printer is ready. There is no more P02 or P03 error. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.